Brica's Seat Guardian Total Seat Protector was uniquely designed to protect your children and the long-term investment in your car. Since you're going to have a child safety seat in your car for at least 8 years, and your little passenger can get things really messy, Brica designed easy clean grime guard fabric and raised walls to help contain those inevitable cookie, cracker, and juice spills. Safety is always our #1 concern. That's why we developed dual grip traction pad technology. These super grippy pads go all the way through the heavy-duty material so that your safety seat and vehicle seat maintain a non-slip grip. And even though it's not required, we crash tested the Seat Guardian to make sure your child's safety seat performs as it was designed to. The one-piece Seat Guardian makes it easier for you to follow the American Academy of Pediatrics recommendation to keep your toddlers rear-facing until they're 2, or until they reach the maximum height and weight for your child's safety seat in rear-facing mode. The Seat Guardian has an extra tall back panel that stays in place and fully covers the back seat. The Seat Guardian is latch compatible and works with all rear and forward-facing seats. If you don't have a head restraint, you can fold the back panel down to prevent it from falling over. In forward-facing mode, the head restraint strap keeps the Seat Guardian in place to make installing your child's safety seat easier. No fighting with the seat protector to stay up. The front kick panel also protects the lower front edge of your vehicle seat from kicky kids. The thick, durable material blends in with your vehicle's interior while providing excellent real-world protection against compression damage. And its color-safe construction won't bleed onto your upholstery. We know traveling with kids can be a challenge. Brica's promise is to make it run a little smoother. Less hassle, less stress, more time for fun. That's Brica, making together better.
Imagine never having to use your keys to start your car. Imagine having the ability to set schedules to start your car, even before you wake up on those cold winter mornings. You no longer need to fear walking to your car after work or after classes. You don't even need to buy a new car or to add an expensive upgrade to have these features on your current car. With USmart Go, your phone becomes your key.
Here at MZ Electronics, we've noticed everybody has a smartphone. We think that everybody should have a smart car.
From any distance, you can start, lock, or unlock your vehicle with the simple press of a button of the USmart Go app, compatible with Apple and Android phones.
It's so simple. Connect, on, off, lock, and unlock. That's basically it.
Until now, only new cars came equipped with these options, or you could attempt an expensive aftermarket kit with less than reliable results and expensive monthly subscriptions. USmart Go brings the safety and convenience into a price range anyone can afford.
The whole mission of MZ Electronics is to make things affordable for hardworking mom, hardworking dad, hardworking students.
So we wanted it to be for anybody that has a vehicle, they can have a smart vehicle too.
And when they're sending their kids off to college, they don't have to buy them a new car. They could give them the car that they have and put our systems in their car, and knowing that it's that reliable and secure.
USmart Go makes it affordable to have a safe and secure way to get into your car anywhere.